Hey, did you know that you can easily turn your text into videos? Better yet, if you have presentations, whether it's for personal, business, sales, marketing use, you can do that very quickly without any experience in AI or designing or editing videos. In this video, I want to show you step by step how to get started with Synthesia, the #1 video generation platform. You don't need any fancy equipment. In fact, you can just start with a browser. With Synthesia, you can create studio quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in over 120 languages. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what it looks like. So to get started with Synthesia, simply click on the link in the description or what you're seeing currently on screen. Now, first you need to create an account. So click on that. If you're brand new, you'll be taken to this pricing page. You can get started with just a simple monthly payment, or you can subscribe annually. If you want to subscribe monthly instead of annually, make sure you click on the monthly tab right here. And now it's $29 a month. You can choose starter to get started. From here, you'll be asked to enter your credit card information. Now, if you want to experiment Synthesia first without subscribing, what you can do is simply create a free AI video by clicking on this blue button on the homepage. Here you will have 3 templates to choose from: Synthesia Demo, Sales Pitch, or Compliment, which is related to, sending a testimonial or client feedback. So let's give it a shot. And I'm going to click on Generate Free Video. You will get your free video in minutes. Here you can enter your contact information, how you hear about Synthesia, and confirm that you're not a robot and generate a free video. Your video is making its way. Again, you're going to get a notification via email to check it out. I do recommend that you consider subscribing even to the lowest tier of Synthesia to fully explore the features Synthesia has to offer. I'm going to just log right in and show you step by step what the platform looks like and how easy it is to get started. So when you're ready to log in, you have the option to log in with Google, single sign-on, or in my case, I always prefer just email and a simple password. What I really like about Synthesia is that it's really minimum, right? Like I don't feel really overwhelmed. Here's the dashboard. I am greeted and welcomed with feature templates. There are more I'm going to show you in a second. Now on the left-hand side, I have my videos. I'm going to click on that real quick. I can organize my videos based on recency, a list of videos here where I can create additional folders. There are also a lot of collaboration features, so I can share the videos with my internal teams as well as with my clients. And these are all the trash content. Now also under assets on the left-hand side, you'll notice that there are examples. You can access, you can save your own templates. There are also a lot of training materials. I'm not going to waste a lot of your time on this just yet. And then here are libraries, so where you can save your favorite templates, you can upload your fonts. Last but not least, avatars. There are hundreds of them you can choose from within the platform of Synthesia. You also notice, as an example, not only you have a variety of avatars of different outfits, different ethnicity, any preferences that you may have. You can actually use just one of them or combine them on different slides of your choice. There are also different shots, like wider angle shots, like waist, above waist, as well as above chest. Now you can preview these characters, avatars. This is a preview of what your video looks like. And you can also have the same character speak in different languages, which is really cool. And whenever you're ready, you can just click on Create Video to get started. Now, I have a separate video to kind of walk you through my experience creating 2 types of custom avatars using Synthesia. That'll be in a separate video coming soon. So if you want to check that out, be sure to subscribe. If you like the character you're looking at and to get started creating a video, all you have to do is click on this blue button called Create Video. You'll also notice it was right there, upper right-hand corner when you landed on the homepage as well. So from here, you have many different choices. Some of us already have a PowerPoint presentation. Maybe you have some text already built out and you have some content to rely on. Now, if you have an important topic, but you don't really know where to start, there are also AI writers and content creation assistants built into the platform Synthesia to help you get started. Now, from here, what you can do is simply add your slides and your scenes. And to do that, what you can do is choose which template you like. For example, I'm going to choose Add Scene right here. It will take a moment. You notice that previous avatar was replaced by the one of your choice. And from here, you could add your logo, insert your slide title. You can actually, change up your text here and just simply copy and paste. You have absolutely full control. Now I'm going to move myself up right here. You can actually change the tone as well. So not only there's English or US English as a language, you have something more, empathetic, meticulous, expressive. There are other voices and accents as well. You can also apply your choice to all new voice of female avatars. In addition to accents and content, you can also manipulate gesture, marker, pause, and diction. So let me go ahead and show you gesture. So you can have this avatar basically nod, head yes, head no, or eyebrow up. There are also markers. You can add additional pauses if you want to. And if you don't want to have any of the features inserted, and simply just put your cursor there and just delete that. So for instance, start your video by greeting your audience, introduce a following topic. There's going to be a natural pause, but if the pause isn't long enough, what you can do is just add an additional pause. Now, what if you kind of have an idea to begin with and you really don't want to go through the process of creating slides, creating these videos from scratch? What you can do is this. Remember earlier I talked to you about feature templates? There's so many to choose from. So click on See All here. All these templates available from within Synthesia. There's a library and examples that you can save to as well. Now you can just scroll down, see the variety. Before you start creating a video from scratch, you should know that you can start with a blank video. You can literally have ideas written somewhere in your notes app and start choosing an avatar and start just writing an idea. That's really cool, actually. You have full control. Now, if you want to do it a little bit quicker, good news is that Synthesia comes with a feature called AI Video Assist. I'm going to link a tutorial right here. I highly recommend anybody new to Synthesia or, avatar platforms to start using features like this. So I will link it here, also in the description below. You literally don't have to come up with anything new at this moment. You're going to get your video within 10 or 15 minutes. Is that you can convert your existing documents, PDFs, websites, blog posts, or even ideas into videos. Last but not least, you can import and convert your existing slides to scenes and backgrounds using your PowerPoint. And that is super powerful. So a lot of us have these really simple PowerPoints with just, bullet points and ideas. And now imagine you can basically 10x that engagement using imageries and also videos directly from the libraries of Synthesia. You don't have to go out to third parties to start searching for them either. So I'm going to show you real quick AI Video Assist. This feature is so incredible. I have a separate video to let you know how to create one using WebLink and also a document. It's kind of similar in a way when you think about it, is that you have already content, oftentimes long, medium to long form content written, and it's so easy to train Synthesia on what the main points are. Now you can also start with just an idea, guys. So this is something that's just incredible. I'm going to show you an example of what I just generated simply using content marketing with AI. And I'm going to show you the video real quick right now. It's very short because I use the default 5 scenes. It's a short video. Now, if you want longer videos, you can also choose 12 scenes, 17 scenes. You can even add additional objectives, audience, and language and tones. So,
hello, everyone. I'm excited to discuss a topic that's revolutionizing the way we approach content marketing. Today, we'll explore how small businesses and creators like you can harness the power of artificial intelligence, or AI, to create more, better content with ease and at a lower cost. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly can AI benefit my content marketing? Well, AI can help you understand your audience better, create personalized content, automate tedious tasks, and even predict future trends. This means you can produce more effective content while saving time and resources. But where do you start? There are numerous AI tools available, each with its own unique benefits. The key is to start small. You don't have to overhaul your entire content strategy overnight. Instead, you can gradually integrate AI into your existing workflows. For example, you might start by using AI to automate your social media posts or to analyze your website data. As you become more comfortable with these tools, you can then explore more advanced options like AI-driven content creation or predictive analytics. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are AI strategists out there who can guide you and help you make the most of these tools. It's all about creating a friendly environment where you can learn, experiment, and grow. So whether you're a seasoned content creator or a small business owner just starting out, AI can provide you with the tools to take your content marketing to the next level. It's an exciting time to be in this field, and I can't wait to see where this technology takes us. Thank you for joining me today, and here's to the future of content marketing.